Hello and welcome to a new video. Now, what you are about to watch is a history and evolution of the Cybermen from Doctor Who. A disclosure though, this description has been totally written up by ChatGPT, the AI system that's taking the internet by storm. So I'm doing this purely for experimental basis, just to see how it goes and see how it works with creating video content for social media and online YouTube channels and all that. So without further ado, do sit back, relax and enjoy the video. The Cybermen, iconic antagonists from the show's popular science fiction series Doctor Who, have a rich history that spans across various iterations of the show. These cybernetic beings were originally humanoids who sought to enhance themselves through cybernetic implants and technology. Over time, their pursuit of perfection led them to replace more and more of their organic bodies with machinery, gradually erasing their emotions and individuality. Originating on the planet Mondas, a twin world to Earth, the Cybermen's transformation into emotionless and mechanical entities was driven by the need to survive in harsh conditions. As their bodies were upgraded, their humanity faded, and they began to prioritize logic and efficiency above all else. They sought to convert others into Cybermen, believing that their way of life was the ultimate solution to all suffering. Throughout the show's history, the Cybermen have appeared in various forms and with very different origins. Alternate versions of the Cybermen emerged from the parallel universes and alternate timelines, showcasing their adaptability and enduring nature of that concept. Despite their mechanical nature, the Cybermen are often raise profound ethical questions about the balance between technological advancement and the preservation of humanity's essence. Their encounters with the Doctor, the show's protagonist, often revolve around the clash between emotion and logic, with the Doctor challenging their beliefs and motives. The Cybermen serve as a cautionary tale exploring the potential consequences of sacrificing humanity in pursuit of an idealized version of existence.